Q6091-1. What is the last step in the demonstration/method? A. Summary. B. Evaluation. C. Learner performance. The correct answer is B. During the evaluation phase, instructors or evaluators closely observe the learner's execution of the demonstrated task or application of the learned concept. They assess factors such as accuracy, efficiency, comprehension, and overall performance. By evaluating the learner's performance, instructors gain insights into the effectiveness of their demonstration or teaching method. The evaluation process serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it helps gauge the learner's comprehension and ability to apply the demonstrated knowledge or skills. This assessment enables instructors to identify areas of strength and areas that may require further instruction or practice. Secondly, evaluation provides valuable feedback to both the learner and the instructor. Learners can understand their progress, identify any gaps in their understanding, and work towards improvement. Instructors can gather data on the effectiveness of their teaching approach, identifying successful strategies and areas for refinement or modification. Evaluation also aids in validating the learning outcomes and ensuring that the demonstrated task or concept aligns with the desired objectives. By comparing the learner's performance against predetermined criteria or benchmarks, instructors can ascertain whether the desired learning goals have been achieved. Overall, the evaluation step in a demonstration/method serves as a crucial checkpoint to measure the learner's performance, provide feedback, and guide further instruction or improvement. It allows instructors to assess the effectiveness of their teaching approach and learners to gauge their progress and proficiency in the demonstrated task or concept. 6091-2. Which statement true concerning computer-based training, CBT? A. The instructor need not be actively involved with the learners when using instructional aids. B. CBT may be used by the instructor as standalone training. C. One of the major advantages of CBT is that learners can progress at a rate which is comfortable for them. The correct answer is C. Computer-based training, CBT, refers to a method of instruction that utilizes computer technology and interactive multimedia to deliver training or educational content to learners. CBT allows learners to progress through the training material at their own pace. Unlike traditional classroom settings, where the instructor sets the pace for the entire group, CBT provides individual learners with the flexibility to learn at a speed that suits their specific needs and capabilities. This personalized learning approach is one of the significant advantages of CBT. By allowing learners to progress at their own pace, CBT caters to the diverse learning styles and abilities of individuals. Some learners may grasp the material quickly and prefer to move ahead swiftly, while others may require more time to comprehend the content thoroughly. CBT accommodates both scenarios, ensuring that each learner can proceed comfortably, neither feeling rushed nor held back. Furthermore, the ability to progress at an individualized pace can enhance the learning experience and overall effectiveness of training. Learners can spend more time on complex or challenging topics, reviewing the material as needed until they have a solid understanding. Conversely, if learners are familiar with certain concepts, they can move through those sections more quickly, saving time and focusing on areas that require more attention. 6091-3. Some of the more advanced computer-based training, CBT, applications allow learners to progress through a series of interactive segments where the presentation varies as a result of their A. Training, B. Responses, C. Needs. The correct answer is B. Advanced CBT applications often incorporate interactive elements that engage learners actively. These interactive segments typically involve quizzes, simulations, or scenarios where learners must provide responses or make decisions. Based on the learner's responses, the CBT program dynamically adjusts the presentation of content, adapting to their specific needs and providing a personalized learning experience. By customizing the presentation based on learner responses, CBT applications can provide targeted feedback, remedial instruction, or additional challenges as necessary. If a learner answers a question correctly, the program may proceed to the next concept or present more advanced material. On the other hand, if a learner struggles with a question, the program may offer additional explanations, examples, or practice opportunities to reinforce the understanding. The adaptive nature of advanced CBT applications allows learners to receive tailored instruction and content based on their individual performance and knowledge gaps. This approach enhances the effectiveness of the training by focusing on areas that require further attention and providing additional support where needed. It helps optimize the learning experience and promotes a deeper understanding of the subject matter. 6091-4. The major advantage of computer-based training, CBT, over other forms of instruction is that it is interactive. The computer responds in different ways, depending on the learner's A. Background, B. Input, C. Training. The correct answer is B. CBT utilizes computer technology and interactive multimedia to engage learners actively. Unlike traditional forms of instruction, such as lectures or textbooks, CBT allows learners to actively participate and interact with the training content. Learners can input responses, make choices, solve problems, and engage in simulated scenarios or activities within the CBT program. The interactive nature of CBT enables the computer to respond dynamically to the learner's input. Depending on the learner's choices, answers to questions, or performance in activities, the CBT program adjusts its presentation, feedback, or progression through the material. This adaptability makes the learning experience more engaging, personalized, and tailored to the learner's specific needs and progress. By responding differently to the learner's input, CBT can provide immediate feedback, offer additional explanations or examples, and guide the learner toward the correct understanding or application of the content. This interactivity promotes active learning, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Compared to other forms of instruction, such as lectures or reading materials, CBT's interactive nature enhances learner engagement and retention. Learners actively participate, apply knowledge, and receive immediate feedback, which can lead to a deeper understanding and better knowledge retention. 6091-5. How is learning by electronic-based learning? A. Instructors can control what is and how fast individuals learn it. B. Less time can be spent on instruction compared to traditional classroom training. C. Peer interaction and personal feedback are limited, resulting in a more efficient training program. The correct answer is B. Electronic-based learning refers to instructional methods that utilize electronic devices and technologies, such as computers, tablets, or online platforms, to deliver educational content and facilitate learning. One of the advantages of electronic-based learning is that it often allows for more efficient use of time compared to traditional classroom training. Here's an explanation of why. 1. Self-paced learning. Electronic-based learning often provides the flexibility for learners to progress at their own pace. They can access the learning materials and modules whenever it is convenient for them. This means that learners can spend more time on topics that they find challenging and move quickly through content they already understand, ultimately optimizing their learning time. 2. Individualized instruction. Electronic-based learning can be tailored to the needs of individual learners. Through adaptive learning systems or personalized learning paths, learners receive content that is specifically relevant to their knowledge level and learning goals. This individualized instruction reduces unnecessary repetition or time spent on concepts learners have already mastered, allowing them to focus on areas that require more attention. 3. Quick access to resources. With electronic-based learning, learners can easily access a vast range of resources, such as ebooks, videos, interactive modules, or online databases. This immediate access to a wealth of information saves time that would otherwise be spent searching for physical resources or waiting for a teacher to provide specific materials.